Consumer electronics, serving personal life and entertainment, are characterized by high-frequency iteration, increasing integration, and upgraded human-computer interaction. Smartphones, as the most representative products, have reached micron-level precision in manufacturing. Laser technology has become an indispensable process in modern consumer electronics manufacturing. From feature phones to foldable screens, laser technology has become a key driving force in the innovation of consumer electronics. In the future, laser technology will continue to deeply empower smart terminals, consistently pushing the boundaries of smart terminal design.